come crawling on my hands and knees. One day I'm gonna come back home again. Gonna knock up on your door. Gonna knock up on your door. I'll surrender to you when I get back from where I've been. I'll go then and only then. I know better than to leave you. I'll submit to all your charms, to fall back in your loving arms when I surrender. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One day I'm gonna come back home again. Gonna put your little hand in mine. Gonna put your little hand in mine. One day I'm gonna come back home again. I'm gonna love you every single night. I'm gonna love you every single night. I'll surrender to you and I'll get back from where I've been. I'll go then and only then. I know better than to leave you. I'll submit to all your charms, fall back in your loving arms when I surrender. I've seen all I want to see, but I know better than to leave you. When I get sick of me being me, I hope to God that you're still free when I surrender. By and by I will surrender. I will surrender. Hey! It's got a big fat Irish tune in the middle of it. It's called Mickey Callahan's. And this goes out to Julia. I can't stay here on this mountain. There's a world out there to see. And I don't know but how I wonder what is waiting there for me. And I fear you would not follow if I wander from this lane. I think you told me not to gamble, so I hope you understand. Would you leave behind the 99 to find me if I quit you? If I slip you, and if I ditch you, would you come and find me? Lord, will you come and find me? I don't care to try and tease you, make you play my selfish game. I'd much rather that it please you if I take your name in vain. I disobey you so you see me, so I'll stand out from your crowd. I hope I have your full attention. Can't you see that I am proud? Would you leave behind the 99 to find me if I quit you? If I slip you, if I ditch you, would you come and find me? Lord, will you come and find me? Sure. If I ditch you, would you come and find me? Lord, will you come and find me?
Yes.